Here's a significantly improved version with stronger storytelling, better flow, and more compelling emotional resonance. Imagine waking up one morning, stretching your legs, standing up, and feeling steady, strong, and stable. No wobbles, no strange cramps, no fear of falling, just the confidence to take on the day. Whether it's a long walk with your spouse, dancing at a family wedding, or simply carrying groceries from the car without needing help. But for many seniors, this isn't the reality. Instead, it's tightness in the calves, numbness in the feet, or sudden painful cramps at night that jerk you awake. Some even notice they've started avoiding stairs, skipping walks, or holding onto furniture when getting up. Here's the truth. Most of these leg issues aren't just old age. They're your body's way of saying it's missing something important. And more often than not, the missing link is a key nutrient. You see, the strength, flexibility, and coordination in your legs depend on a very specific group of vitamins and minerals. When just one of them is missing or too low, it affects the entire chain. From the nerves firing messages, to your muscles, to your bones absorbing pressure, to your circulation delivering oxygen where it's needed most. In today's video, we'll go through 7 powerful vitamins that help seniors over 60 regain control of their legs, boosting strength, reducing cramps, restoring balance, and helping you walk with confidence again. Make sure you watch until the end because number 1 is one most seniors don't even know they're missing. And it could be the difference between feeling light on your feet or one small misstep that leads to a dangerous fall. How old are you and where are you watching from? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to know who's watching today. And if this video helps you or you care about someone over 60, do me a small favor. Tap the like button, subscribe, and let's build a stronger, safer future together. Vitamin D, the silent leg strength activator. If you've ever felt unsteady on your feet or struggled with muscle weakness, there's a good chance your vitamin D is running low. Vitamin D isn't just for bones. It plays a major role in activating muscle fibers, the very same ones that help you rise from a chair, catch yourself during a slip, or hold your balance while walking. The problem: as we age, our skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight, and many seniors stay indoors more often, limiting their exposure even further. Studies show that low vitamin D levels are strongly linked to poor balance, slower reaction time, and a higher risk of falling. That's because vitamin D influences not just the muscles, but the nerves that control them, and the inflammatory signals that affect how you move. You'll find this vitamin in fatty fish like salmon, fortified dairy, egg yolks, and of course, safe sunlight exposure. But in most cases, seniors may need supplementation to reach optimal levels. Talk to your doctor about a daily dose of around 800 to 2,000 IU, especially if you've had a fall, suffer from muscle pain, or have limited mobility. Because once your vitamin D is restored, many seniors report a noticeable difference: stronger legs, better posture, and a renewed sense of independence. Calcium, the bone and movement connector. Now that your muscles are getting support, let's look at their partner in strength, your bones. And nothing is more essential to bone stability than calcium. Most people think of calcium as the bone mineral. And while that's true, it also helps with something even more immediate: movement control. Every time your leg muscles contract or relax, they use calcium as the spark to fire. But here's the problem. As we age, we start losing bone density, and if you're not getting enough calcium through diet or supplements, your body pulls it from your bones. This leads to weakness, stiffness, and in severe cases, fractures or compression in the spine. The best sources of calcium include dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, but also leafy greens, tofu, sardines with the bones, and fortified almond or soy milk. If you're not eating these daily, you may be falling short. Most adults over 60 need around 1-200 milligrams of calcium per day. Some may need more if they've been diagnosed with osteopenia or osteoporosis. But remember, calcium works best when it's combined with vitamin D. So pair them together to get maximum absorption. When your body has enough calcium, the improvement isn't just on x-rays. You may notice fewer aches after walking, better balance, and more power in your legs when standing or climbing stairs. Vitamin B12, the balance and nerve guardian. Have you ever felt pins and needles in your legs, a strange numbness in your feet, or even moments of dizziness when walking? These aren't just minor annoyances, they could be signs of low vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for healthy nerve function. It helps your body create the protective coating around your nerves, allowing messages from your brain to reach your legs quickly and clearly. Without it, that signal slows down, leading to poor coordination, unsteady walking, and even falls. As we grow older, our bodies produce less stomach acid, which is necessary to absorb B12 from food. This is especially common in seniors over 60, and even more so in those taking antacids or medications for diabetes. B12 is found naturally in animal products, beef, poultry, eggs, dairy, and in fortified cereals or nutritional yeast. But if your energy has been low, your legs feel numb, or you've noticed any balance issues, ask your doctor about getting your B12 levels checked. Many seniors benefit from high absorption B12 supplements, either as sublingual tablets or injections in more severe cases. When your B12 levels return to normal, it's like rebooting your legs. Faster reactions, less tingling, more stability. That's not just better movement, that's peace of mind. Before we move on, if you're finding this video helpful so far, take a moment to support the channel by giving this video a like and hitting the subscribe button. Here at Senior Vital Health, we're dedicated to helping older adults live stronger, longer, and more independent lives. Your support helps us reach more people just like you. And if you have any questions or personal stories about leg pain, muscle weakness, or recovery, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Magnesium, the cramp calming mineral. There's nothing quite like a sudden leg cramp at 2 in the morning. The sharp pain, the panic, the struggle to stretch it out, and then being wide awake for hours. Sound familiar? If so, magnesium might be your missing puzzle piece. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation. It helps regulate the electrical impulses that control how your muscles contract and release. Without enough of it, muscles can spasm uncontrollably, especially at night. The challenge? Magnesium is easily depleted. Stress, certain blood pressure and heart medications, and even alcohol or caffeine can quietly drain your stores. And most seniors don't eat enough whole foods rich in this essential mineral. Top magnesium sources include leafy greens like spinach and kale, almonds, pumpkin seeds, black beans, and whole grains like oats or brown rice. You can also find it in dark chocolate, just another reason to enjoy it in moderation. If you're experiencing restless legs, nightly cramps, or general muscle fatigue, a supplement of 200 to 400 milligrams per day may help, but always speak to your healthcare provider first. Once restored, many seniors report a night and day difference, fewer cramps, smoother movement, and a much more peaceful night's sleep. Potassium, the muscle balancer. Let's talk about balance, not just on your feet, but inside your cells. Potassium is a mineral that helps keep muscle cells hydrated, nerves firing correctly, and circulation moving smoothly. And when it's too low, everything feels off. Potassium is responsible for helping your muscles contract efficiently. It also prevents fluid buildup and works in tandem with sodium to maintain electrical balance. If you're low, you might feel trembling, stiffness, or get frequent leg cramps, especially during or after walks. Unfortunately, potassium deficiency is common in older adults, especially those with high blood pressure who are on diuretics, which flush potassium out of the body. To replenish it, turn to nature. Bananas, avocados, oranges, sweet potatoes, spinach, white beans, and even coconut water are excellent sources. You don't need to eat all of them daily. Just rotate them into your meals consistently. Potassium supplements exist, but they can be risky without supervision, especially if you have kidney problems. So it's always best to talk to your doctor before supplementing. But when your potassium is in the right zone, the difference is noticeable. Better stamina, stronger walking stride, fewer spasms, and more flexible joints. Vitamin K, the bone protector you didn't know you needed. You've probably heard of vitamin D and calcium for your bones. But what about vitamin K? This often overlooked nutrient is like the silent traffic controller in your body, directing calcium into your bones where it belongs and keeping it out of your arteries where it can cause harm. Without enough vitamin K, calcium may deposit in the wrong places, leading to brittle bones, stiff joints, and even cardiovascular issues. But when vitamin K is present in the right amounts, it acts like glue, binding minerals to your bones and supporting stronger, more flexible legs. There are two types, vitamin K1 and K2. K1 is found in leafy greens like kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli. K2, on the other hand, is more potent for bone health and comes from fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish, sauerkraut, egg yolks, and organ meats like liver. Many seniors don't get enough of either type, especially if they avoid greens or follow restricted diets. However, it's important to speak to your doctor before supplementing with vitamin K, particularly if you're taking blood thinners, as K can interfere with those medications. When your vitamin K levels are optimal, your bones feel stronger, your joints feel looser, and your legs feel more reliable under you, step after step. Vitamin B6, the energy and recovery vitamin. Have you ever gone for a short walk only to feel winded and weak afterwards? Or maybe you feel sore for days after light activity. This could be a sign of low vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 supports your body's ability to use energy efficiently, repair muscle tissue, and maintain healthy nerves. It also plays a major role in producing neurotransmitters that affect your coordination and balance. Low levels can result in early fatigue, muscle weakness, inflammation, and even mood changes, all of which affect your mobility and confidence when moving. You'll find B6 in foods like chicken, turkey, salmon, potatoes, bananas, fortified cereals, and chickpeas. But as we age, our ability to absorb and utilize B6 declines, especially if we take medications for blood pressure, diabetes, or arthritis, which can deplete it. The good news is that B6 is water-soluble and generally safe in moderate supplemental doses under medical guidance. Most seniors benefit from 1.5 to 2 milligrams per day, either from food or a multivitamin. When B6 is restored, you'll likely feel it. Clearer thinking, steadier energy, and stronger legs that recover faster after activity. It's not just a vitamin, it's a signal booster for your whole nervous system. What we've learned today. If your legs have felt weaker, if your balance is slipping, or if you've struggled with cramps, stiffness, or slow recovery after movement, it's not just aging. Often, it's your body quietly asking for help. A gap in just one or two of these 7 vitamins can start a domino effect, weakening the very foundation that keeps you standing, walking, and independent. But the beauty of the human body, even after 60, 70, or 80, is that it responds. Give it what it needs, and it begins to rebuild. From vitamin D's role in coordination, to magnesium's power to calm restless legs, to the nerve repair magic of B12 and B6, every nutrient plays a part in restoring strength where it matters most. So take a moment this week to reflect. Are these nutrients present in your daily meals? Is it time to talk to your doctor about a blood test or a good quality supplement? Small adjustments can spark big improvements in the way you move, in the confidence you feel, and in the independence you keep. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more practical tips on healthy aging. We'd love to hear from you. What questions do you have about senior health, or what topics should we cover next? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps shape this community. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and keep moving strong. Retry.